Ranking number one on a Google search is incredibly important for two reasons. Number one, it brings an air of authority to your business because you occupy the top spot. People who search on Google usually click on the first 2 or 3 companies that they see. And so when they see your business there, they see you as the authority or as the best service for them. And number two, it allows you to stay top of mind on anyone who's looking for your services. This is incredibly important if you want to increase your leads, increase your phone calls, and close more deals.